So yeah, I got the 12 volt system now almost all sorted out. Not sorted, well, it's not. So I got the 12 volt system now all figured out almost. There's a few things left to do, but I have to do them after I finish the 48 volts. The fridge is now all back together, and that works. Panel over there, the amps, the blue ones, they are not connected. I'm probably not gonna do that. But the fuse panel is on. There's another fuse panel over here. I just need to label those. Label these also for the new owners. LED lights work now. Those are the lights over there. Turn it off. And now also the lights over here work. Yeah, the strip over there, that's a sticker keeping it away from the opaque plastic. And drop down from here, it's okay. The few things that I need to do is, well, test the heater. The heater works, that it doesn't blow any fuses. And also I need to wire the motor controller down there, and the power coming to the throttle thing over there. There's also a USB port over there. So I need to wire those in 12 volts. They used to be in 24 volts. Otherwise, the 12 volt system is pretty much done. Now I think I can close that. Yeah, all the 12 volt systems run through this, and this can output 20 amps. Should be plenty enough for the 12 volt system. And you can turn the load off here, so this is kind of like a main switch. Let me zoom in. Oh, so now the light goes off and that panel goes off from there. Not sure if I think I hooked up the bilge pump, which is down there. I think I hooked that directly to the battery. Not sure, but yeah, so it can run even though if this is off, because yeah. But mostly I think this is gonna be on, because the fridge can stay on all night long. Now it's off. Yeah, the fridge switch is over here. And I also got this main switch. So now it's on 1, which is from the batteries, the 12 volt batteries. It's 1 plus 2, but that's probably not gonna use that. And number 2 is gonna go to the down converter from 48 volts. But that's not hooked up yet because the 48 volt battery is not on, so nothing is on over there. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this off now. That completes the 12 volt system, the new setup for that. Okay. Yep. The battery is on. The power is on the battery. There's a power switch on my battery. I made this kind of a plastic shield. This is kind of a strap over here, piece of wood over there. The main switch is over there. The main switch. The main switch also, but the quick fuse. And yeah, you can see the green lights over there. Can you? I'm not sure. Because the seat is gonna be used for storage. That's why the plexiglass over there. Also hole over there. I already tested the battery. There was no smoke, which is good. Also tested the motor. That's also running. And yeah, the solar charger is now on. 52.4 volts on the battery now. I've never charged it. That's the way it came. That's the solar panel voltage, which is now 0 because the wire is disconnected from there. But also, yeah, the 12 volt system works. Yeah. So as you can see, it's pretty windy outside. See if you can hear it. And my tarp got ripped off, so now I can test the solar panels. And the 12 volt system works. So basically all the electric stuff is now done. It has been all tested except the lights on the mast. Those LEDs, not sure if they work in 12 volt. That has to be tested. Everything else works. Let's turn on the solar panels for the 48 volt system. So you're gonna witness if the smoke comes out or something else happens. I'm gonna go and connect the wire. Okay, it's now connected, but no watts. What's the problem here? So now it works. 2.4 amps going to the battery. 132 watts. So there was just an error code, like voltage too high from the battery. I just rebooted and now it works. So yeah, that's good. So all the electric stuff is working. Some loose wires over here. Now I think I need to do some cleaning here. I can put a cover on that and I can leave that on, like those are on. It can charge up now when the tarp is gone. But that's not all. I'm gonna show you down there outside the other stuff I have to do before I launch the boat. So all the electrical stuff and the new battery was part 1. There's part 2 and part 3 outside. Let's take a look. So out here I got some stuff for my project. That is this thing over here. Yep, I got some cracks on the paint, on the keel joint for a few years. I never looked under it. Oh god damn, it's so windy. But when I was selling the boat, all of the people who look at the boat saw the cracks, and I was like, yeah, nothing to worry about, just a crack in the paint. The keel bolts inside are okay. They've never been leaking, so I was not worried about it. But then I took some paint out and looked inside, and yep, there's some rust over here. But nothing major. But it needs to be fixed, so I have to I need to sand the rust away, paint the keel part, and then do the seal again. I think the seal is okay. I think the problem was water getting inside, and so that was the problem. But yeah, there was some flexible stuff like Sikaflex all over the hull, around here, all the way from here. So yeah, I need to take that off. But the problem is that my stands over here, they blocked me from going over there, so that's why the logs, the 2x4s are here. I collect them from the outer rims of the boatyard. Yeah, okay, for the most part. I got some more stuff over there, so I need to build some support stuff over here so I can take this off and I can work that part over there. So yeah, that's I think the biggest thing I have to do. The other thing is the prop. Took it out, it was kind of corroded, and yeah, I always wanted to pick a prop to make use of all the torque that the electric motor has. I had to cut off the bolt that was holding the prop in place. It's like an anode bolt, and it was so corroded against the prop that I had to cut it out. I can show you the props. Open Batmobile. So this one is the prop that was in there. It's not the original. It's a little bit bigger, and it didn't fit that well. This is the original. I tried to paint it at some point. As you can see, that was not done well. Yeah. But yeah. Now I don't know where I'm gonna find a bigger prop, because this one has the pin over there, so there's no kind of teeth inside which you have in the bigger props, and also the axle is kind of a short. So yeah, I think this was it. I'm gonna start cleaning out the boat, and next stuff is gonna be building the new stands, and then start prepping the hull and cleaning it and painting it, sealing it and everything like that. After that, I think we are almost ready to launch, but it's gonna take a month or something, 3 weeks maybe. So yeah, stick around. See you soon on the next one. Bye bye.